drops of water from the sky. It's not a heavy rain, but slight drizzle in Puducherry at the moment. And when it's raining and cloudy in Puducherry, this is what the ocean, the Bay of Bengal, looks like. It's raging, amazingly raging. The streets are practically empty with a few enthusiastic bathers who wanted to hit the water at the moment. People say it's dangerous, but still they want to do it. And look at the ocean. Look at the ocean. It's literally raging, and slight droplets of water passing through Aurobindo Ashram in Puducherry at the moment, walking down the river bank. The concrete road alongside the river bank, vehicles are not permitted here, but as you can see, it's empty road in this French town, white town, the French part of the French portion where it's widely known as people with dual residency resides. But this is where the river banks and the beach, everything is in Puducherry. This is the place in Puducherry. This is where you want to be in Puducherry. If you're in Puducherry, you want to be here. And as you can see, as we walk along on a very cloudy, rain-soaked morning, but looking lovely, looking mystic, looking very romantic all the way, with very little crowd, very little people down as we walk you across along the ocean, the riverbanks, and with very few people on road because of the light drizzle. But the sound of the ocean really is as waves lash along the banks. Water it's now high tide, and because of the rains, and water is really hitting the coast. From Puducherry, this is Avijit Nandi Majumdar for ANM News.
আরও খবরের আপডেট পেতে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমাদের ইউটিউব চ্যানেলটি আর বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করুন নোটিফিকেশনস পেতে।